Hey guys, in this video, I will show you what is Deepseek AI Assistant. Well, Deepseek AI Assistant is a tool powered by artificial intelligence that specializes in data extraction, document analysis, and information retrieval from various data sources such as files, documents, and large data sets. Unlike the general purpose AI models like ChatGPT, which are more geared toward conversation and creative writing, DeepSeek AI Assistant focuses on structured and factual data processing. So key features includes a data extraction. It helps to extract specific information from files, including text documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, and databases. Document analysis. The assistant can parse through documents and analyze the context, identifying trends, patterns, and key insights that may be hidden in large volumes of text or data. File handling. A DeepSeek AI assistant can handle a wide range of file types. For information retrieval, it excels at retrieving specific facts from a large amount of data. 5. Pattern recognition. 6. Customization. So the best use cases for this, data heavy task for business and researchers, document parsing and processing, automating workflows. Limitations, not suited for creative work. It cannot generate images. So summary, the DeepSeek AI Assistant is an advanced AI tool built for those who need data extraction, analysis, and insight retrieval from large and complex datasets. As easy as that. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.